Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use the bulk uploader that I've sent you a Word document on. Probably thought that this might be a little bit easier to just do a quick web demo for you. And then if you have any questions after seeing this, definitely get in touch with me. So basically the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Internet Explorer, whichever browser is your preference, and go to the home page of the site. You're going to want to log in as yourself. So I use this account called Gremit as my test account, and I log in, and then what I do is I go to this link, sportscardirect.com/sellers/mylistings/bulk-import, and hit enter. This field or this form is actually hidden. It's only available for those that have unlimited listings. Otherwise, it just becomes too much to have too many people using it, and I want to keep it strictly for you folks right now. I really value all the input you've given me, and I want to just make sure you guys are taken care of. So the first thing you want to do is click on Download the Spreadsheet Template file, and we're going to do Save As, and we're going to do Bulk Import Template.csv. Click Save. I already have it on my desktop, but I want to click Yes. And now that it's been downloaded, I want to open the file up. And as you can see right now, in the template, there's a card that's already listed in there. We just delete that. But each of these columns that you see, other than the listing ID number, are fields that need to be filled in. These are the mandatory fields for when we're setting up a regular listing. So I will do 1971, OPG, we'll do Jean Beliveau, actually do Gordie Howe, Howe, and it's a PSA 8. Then what I do is I just copy this, put it in the description as well. Paste. Category will be hockey, HOCKEY. The product year, manufacturer, player, because these are all searchable fields, that's why we have these. This one is the team. Condition. Now this is one where we really need to pay attention to what we have down here. So the condition for it to show up needs to be in one of these formats, and this one will be, I will copy this, near mint to mint. So I copy that, and it's also in the document that I gave you. And it should paste into there, so it's in there. The grading company is another one that we have to make sure is formatted right. So it is Professional Sports PSA. So we'll make sure that we get that in there as well. And it does need the bracket, so I'm just going to include the bracket. The price for this card will be $59.99. And then the shipping fee will be $3. And that's all there is to fill out this for each card. So then all we're going to want to do is click Save. This error message or this information always comes up with Excel. It's because we're saving this as a CSV file, not an Excel file. So I click Yes, and then I close it, and it asks me if I want to save the changes that I made to it. I click Yes. And this is the name of the file. It says that I already have it on my desktop. Do I want to replace the file? Because this is just a new one and it's a test, I would say yes. If you want to save it as a different name, say, bulk uploader 1 through, like then if you do another 1, 2, 3, you can do that. So I just click yes here, yes, and it's closed. Now that it's completed, I go to my download here, which has been complete. Next up, we need to upload the file. So when you click on upload, it says browse. So we click on browse, and you find the one that you created. And I have my files sorted by date modified, so I know which one is the most recent, and it's that one there. I click open, then upload, and it says here to submit. So now I submit the file. If it worked properly, it should say import file succeeded, proceed to step 2. So you click on step 2, and you will now see that this card is ready to go. If there were any errors, you would see some different errors, whether they be in red, but this is how it will appear. So I do complete the import process, and it's done. I can either go and upload a new CSV, or I can go to my listings page. So I say I want to go to my listings page, and there you will see the 1971 Gordie Howe PSA 8. If I click on the home page, I scroll down, you will now see that card appearing right here. All I would need to do is go into where I have the pictures, which is actually on my computer at home, and add the picture to it, and I'm good to go. So what I want to do now is go back into my listings. I will delete this listing, click OK, and then if we go back to the home page, it's gone. So hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, please email me. I'm always available, as you all know, and it's a great tool. It should really help you out. To start off with, I recommend maybe doing 10 at a time, just to make sure you get the hang of it. That way, if there are any issues with the bulk upload and something doesn't work the way you want to, you don't have to delete like 20, 50, or 100 cards. The maximum cards it will upload at a time is 500, but please start using it, and if you have any questions, by all means, like I said, get a hold of me. Thanks everyone, and bye for now.